Imagine waking up on an island, where your first breath feels like a brand new life, where every sunrise paints the ocean in gold, and every sunset whispers secrets of the deep blue. An island that doesn't just offer beauty, but invites you into a world where play meets luxury, adventure blends with serenity, and every experience feels like a story you'll tell forever. This is Kandima Maldives, but there's just one question. Is this paradise really as magical as it looks? Let's find out. Welcome to Kandima Maldives. Perched in the heart of the Indian Ocean, Kandima Maldives is far more than a resort. It's a lifestyle destination. Stretching over a 3-kilometer private island in the stunning Dalu Atoll, this tropical playground redefines what it means to escape. This isn't just another Maldives trip, it's your story waiting to unfold. Kandima Maldives, a new kind of island escape. Unlike many traditional Maldivian resorts that are serene and quiet, Kandima strikes a perfect balance between relaxation and high-energy fun. This is where luxury gets playful, from vibrant beach clubs to adrenaline-charged water adventures. The island's welcoming vibe appeals to every kind of traveler. Whether you're a solo explorer chasing thrills, a couple seeking romance, or a family craving joy and laughter. Overwater and beach villas, a home above the Indian Ocean. One of the first things that will captivate you at Kandima is the villa experience itself. Imagine stepping out onto your private deck with the lagoon's translucent waters stretching into the horizon. Many villas offer direct sea access, meaning you can slip into warm turquoise waters right from your own doorstep. For couples, these overwater villas become sanctuaries of intimacy, perfect for slow mornings and starlit dinners. Ocean adventures, dive into the deep blue. If the ocean calls you, Kandima answers with style. The resort's house reef is easily accessible for snorkeling and teeming with vibrant coral and marine life, all just steps away from the beach. Daily complimentary snorkeling excursions help guests discover this underwater world with ease. Aquaholics, your water playground. At the heart of Kandima's marine adventures is Aquaholics, a world-class water sports and dive center. Here you can learn to dive or take advanced PADI courses. Go parasailing high above the lagoon. Try your hand at windsurfing or sea bob adventures. Rent jet skis for high-speed water thrills. Go on night fishing trips or big-game fishing expeditions. Enjoy peaceful sunset cruises across the Indian Ocean. Dolphins, rays, and reef life. Wildlife encounters you'll remember. One of the most unforgettable experiences at Kandima is the chance to see wildlife in its natural habitat. From dolphin-watching cruises that take you out at dawn or dusk to spotting eagle rays and reef sharks near the house reef, every journey into the sea is an invitation to witness nature's wonders up close. These encounters aren't just for thrill seekers. Even casual snorkelers can watch schools of colorful fish, weave through coral gardens, or catch sight of graceful marine life, gliding past in the clear lagoon, waters, play space. Fun beyond the water. When you need a break from the ocean, PlaySpace awaits, Kandima's ultimate indoor activity hub that redefines island entertainment. This dynamic space blends nostalgia and excitement with retro and modern arcade games, VR experiences for immersive fun, bowling lanes and karaoke rooms, escape rooms and challenge activities, social spots, perfect for teens and adults alike. Race the waves, fast track, go-karting. Here's something you won't expect in the Maldives, a high-speed go-karting circuit right beside the ocean. Kandima's fast track is an electrifying experience that blends coastal views with adrenaline-pumping action. With twists and turns designed for all skill levels, wellness and mindful living, recharge on your terms. Beyond excitement, Kandima offers serene escapes designed to nourish your body and mind. At Escape Spa, surrounded by lush tropical foliage, you'll find treatments inspired by both local traditions and global wellness philosophies. From deep tissue massages to rejuvenating facials and open-air therapies, this is where stress gently melts away. Add to that sunrise beach yoga, mindful breathing workshops, and meditation sessions, and you'll find every moment here is crafted to help you feel balanced and renewed. Culinary journeys, dining that defines the island. Kandima Maldives is home to 10 unique restaurants and bars, each offering a distinct flavor of the world. From elegant fine dining experiences to casual beachside bites, the culinary landscape here is as diverse as it is delicious. Sea Dragon and Forbidden Bar. Inspired by ancient Far Eastern architectural wisdom, this is where bold Asian flavors meet fresh catch seafood. Choose your lobster or fish from live tanks and have it cooked to your liking. The Forbidden Bar, with its hidden entrance and vibrant nightlife vibes, keeps the island energy alive after dark. Smoked is the go-to for grill lovers with succulent meats and seafood. Azure couples Mediterranean finesse with beachside elegance, perfect for sunset dinners with a glass of wine. Beach Club and Breeze Pool Bar. Day or night, these spots are the heartbeat of the island. Sip tropical cocktails, enjoy live DJs, or simply watch the waves. Paint the horizon while you unwind in style. Arts, creativity, and island culture. If your idea of adventure isn't only physical, Kandima's Kula Art Studio offers an inspiring creative escape. Here, local resident artists guide painting, crafts, and workshops, perfect for travelers who want a souvenir that's truly personal. Whether you're a seasoned painter or a total beginner, the studio becomes a space of expression, color, and imagination, a beautiful complement to your tropical journey. Family and kid-friendly experiences. Kandima is not just for adults. It's a destination where kids find magic at every turn. Candyland, one of the largest kids' clubs in the Maldives, offers a host of activities ranging from water play zones to creative workshops and daily entertainment. Teens aren't left out either. With play space, sports arenas, and social hubs designed for younger guests, family holidays, here are lively, engaging, and free of boredom. Fitness and land adventures. For guests who love staying active, Kandima goes beyond typical resort workouts. The Burn Fitness Center features 24/7 facilities, group classes, personal training, and even aerial yoga sessions. Outdoor sports arenas include tennis, volleyball, beach football, and more, ensuring you stay energized while on vacation. Whether it's a spirited match with friends or a morning run along the 3-kilometer shoreline, fitness here feels more like play than exercise. If you're ready for not just a vacation, but a life-changing island story, then your journey begins here, in Kandima Maldives.